Hey everyone, my name is Joanne Smith and welcome to my YouTube channel, Joanne's Corner. In today's tutorial, these are the ingredients that you're going to need to make a recipe called Christmas Pinwheels. It's a quick and easy recipe to make if you're going to a party or something like that around Christmas time, or to just sit around and munch on. These are delicious, so stick around and we'll start. Thanks. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is add 2 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese. And if you're in a pinch and you started to make the recipe and you're like, oh my goodness, I forgot to soften my cream cheese, just put your cream cheese in these little aluminum containers that they're in, I guess, or whatever you call it. But anyway, just put that down in a cup or a bowl of hot water for about 5 or 10 minutes, depending on how soft you want it, and that will do the trick. Okay, so 2 8-ounce packages of softened cream cheese. Then we want 1 package of Hidden Valley Ranch salad dressing mix. Just put that on your cream cheese. And then we're going to mix this until it's all blended. Push it with the back of your spoon, that helps it blend a little bit too. Okay, next we want to add a 1/2 cup of minced sweet red bell peppers, or you can do green. This gives it some Christmassy color. Then we want 1/2 cup of minced celery. Then a 1/4 cup of chopped green onions. Then a 1/4 cup of sliced olives. These are optional. Some people don't like olives. Some people don't like peppers or celery either. You can leave that out if you want to, but they'll still be good. Okay, and what we want to do is mix this until it's blended well. It looks very Christmassy. It smells really good. Blend it real good. Now we want to spread 3/4 of a cup of the mixture onto a burrito-sized tortilla, flour tortilla. So get you about 3/4 of a cup. I've just got a cup here, so I'm just eyeballing it. It might be a little much, but okay, so I'll set this to the side and put our tortilla over here. Just put that out on your tortilla, and then we're just going to spread that all over the tortilla. If you'd rather have more than 3/4 of a cup, you can do that. It's just whatever you like. Just spread it all the way out to the ends. The corners or edges, or I guess it's edges, it's not corners. Okay, looks pretty good. Now we're going to tuck in the sides a little bit, about 1 inch on each side. Kind of mash that down, and then start rolling it from the bottom up, just like you would a burrito. Just roll it up to the other end. Oops, I got it on the table. But anyway, that's what it looks like. Got it all rolled up. And we're going to finish the rest of this mixture with our tortillas. And then we'll put them in the refrigerator for about an hour and let the cream cheese set. And then we'll take them out. After I rolled up my tortillas with the stuff that we fill them with, I ended up with 4 of the tortillas. So they've been in the fridge for an hour, so we're going to take it out and slice it. And you want to cut them probably in 1/2 inch squares. Look how pretty that is. Isn't that pretty? It's so Christmassy. Now, if you don't want to put these in pieces because they're kind of ugly at the very end. You can just save them, eat them yourself if you don't want to take them to the party. But after you get them all sliced up, they are so pretty. And there you have it. That's how you make Christmas pinwheels. If you've enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. And if you have any comments, if you make this on your own or something, post comments of how it turned out or your pictures. And I'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much. Merry Christmas.